Good morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are doing good and safe at home. Have you all had your breakfast, dears? Yes? Shall we start today's session? Last week we see half of the chapter. Today we are going to see the continuation of last one. Okay, last chapter. Term 1, Unit 2, 5 landforms. Okay, Unit 2, 5 landforms. We already see about mountains, Kurinji land, and the second one, forest, Mullai land. Today we are going to see about forest. It is called as Mullai land. Okay, forest means kadugal. Forest, kaadu. Okay, here is a pictorial view of forest. Okay, dears. Here is a forest. It consists of large number of trees. Okay, animals, flowers, plants. Okay, forest consists of large amount of trees. Forest, Mullai land. A large area covered by trees is called forest. What is called forest? A large area covered by trees is called forest. The forest region is referred as Mullai land. The forest region is called Mullai land. Okay, it is covered by large area of trees. Yes, it is covered by a large area of trees. Okay, the forest region is referred to as Mullai land. Forest region is called Mullai land. This region is also called Sembulam. Sembulam, due to the presence of red soil. So it is referred as Sembulam. Sembulam, red soil. Okay. The theme. In the theme, we are going to see in the forest, this Mullai land, who are their god and how their people are called, what are their occupation, plants, flowers which cultivated here, animals, birds which live here, and the musical instruments people use in this forest region. Okay, now we are going to see the theme. Theme. God. Their god was Thirumal. Their god was Thirumal. In last one we see the mountain regions god was Murugan. Okay. Here we see their god was Thirumal. People who lived in this forest region are called Idayar, Idaichiyar, Ayar, Aichiyar. Okay, the people lived in this forest region are called Idayar, Idaichiyar, Ayar, Aichiyar. Okay. Next one, occupation. Next one, occupation. Their work. Okay, the people who lived in this forest region worked for cattle rearing, கால்நடை மேய்த்தல், gathering fruits, பழங்களை சேகரித்தல், sowing millets, திணைப்பயிர் விளைவித்தல். திணைப்பயிர் விளைவித்தல். Okay. What are their occupation? Cattle rearing, gathering fruits, sowing millets. Sowing millets. Millets means திணைப்பயிர். Millets means திணைப்பயிர். Plant and flower which bloom in this forest region is Goa and Mullai flower. Goa, கொய்யா பழம். Goa means கொய்யா பழம். Mullai flower. Okay. Next one, animal or bird. Animal lived in this forest region are bear. Bear means karadi. Bird, rabbit, parrot. Rabbit or parrot lived in this forest region. Musical instrument is mullaiyal. Mullaiyal is a musical instrument. Okay. Forest theme. The god is Thirumal. People lived in this forest region are Idayar, Idaichiyar, Ayar, Aichiyar. Occupation, cattle rearing, gathering fruits, sowing millets, plant or flower. Goa, Mullai flower. Animal or bird. Bear. Bird, rabbit or parrot. Rabbit and parrot. Okay. Musical instrument is mullaiyal. Mullaiyal. The land is called Mullai land. Their musical instrument is mullaiyal. ZH is pronounced as L. Okay. Mullaiyal. Okay, dears. Next one. Here is a picture of their god Thirumal. Occupation, cattle rearing, sowing millets. Here is a flower, mullai flower. Animal, rabbit. Here is a bird, parrot. It is for forest region. For forest region. Second one, the people and their occupations. Okay. The people and the occupations. Idayar. What is the meaning of Idayar? Means milk seller. பால் விக்கிறவங்கள தான் இடையர்னு சொல்வாங்க. சரியா? இடையர். milk seller. Ayar, cattle rearer. ஆடுகளை மேய்க்கிறவங்க தான் cattle rearer, ayar. Okay. The people and their occupations. People, idayar. Idayar is known for milk seller. Ayar is known for cattle rearer. The soil of Mullai land. The soil of Mullai land. The land of Mullai has red soil with stones and pebbles. With stones and pebbles in it. The soil of Mullai land was red soil and it has stones and pebbles in it. Okay. Here are the forests in Tamil Nadu. What are the forests in Tamil Nadu? Do you know any of the forests in Tamil Nadu, dears? Do you know any of the forest? Let's see. First one, mangrove forest. M-A-N, man, grove, G-R-O-V-E, mangrove forest, F-O-R-E-S-T-S, forest. Pichavaram in Kadalur district. Pichavaram in Kadalur district. Second one, Malai forest, M-A-L-A-I, Malai forest, F-O-R-E-S-T-S, forest. Answer is Nilgiris district. It is situated in Nilgiris district. Third one, reserve forest. Reserve forest. It is in Kanyakumari district. Reserve forest, R-E-S-E-R-V-E, reserve forest, F-O-R-E-S-T-S, forest, reserve forest. It is in Kanyakumari district. Fourth one, Shola forest, S-H-O-L-A, Shola forest, F-O-R-E-S-T-S, forest. It is in Coimbatore and Nilgiris district. Nilgiris district consists of two forests, namely Malai forest, Shola forest. Okay. What are the forests in Tamil Nadu? Mangrove forest, Malai forest, reserve forest, Shola forest. Mangrove forest is in Pichavaram in Kadalur district. Malai forest is in Nilgiris district. Reserve forest is in Kanyakumari district. Shola forest is in Coimbatore and Nilgiris district. Okay. Next one, let us know. Let us know. Manufactured products. Manufactured products, trees used to produce. Okay. Here are the manufactured products and for which the trees is used to produce. What are the trees used to produce these products? Okay. Let's see. Paper. Product is paper. The trees which are helpful in making the paper is bamboo, Thaila, Kudaivel. Bamboo, Thaila, Kudaivel. It is used for making paper. So dears, listen this carefully. Paper is made by a tree called bamboo, Thaila, Kudaivel. Okay. Next one, safety match stick. Safety match sticks. It is produced by a tree called Ayilai Mul Ilavu. Ayilai Mul Ilaivu. Ayilai Mul Ilavu. Safety match sticks. Next one, fragrance oil. Narmana Ennai. Fragrance oil was made by a tree called sandal tree. Sandana Maram. Sandal tree is used and helpful for making fragrance oil. Next one, balm soap. Palm. Okay, palm soap. It is for which the tree is used here is for soap. Ilupai, neem, pungam. Ilupai, neem, pungam. Okay. Paper produced by the tree called bamboo, Thaila, Kudaivel. Safety match stick produced by a tree called Ayilai Mul Ilavu. Fragrance oil is made by a tree called sandal tree. Palm and soap made by a tree called Ilupai, neem, Pungam. Okay, next one. Okay, Pichavaram forest. Pichavaram forest. Pichavaram forest. It is in Kadalur district. Pichavaram is in Kadalur district. Okay, the forest is called mangrove forest. We already see. Okay, let's see. Pichavaram is the village near Chidambaram in Kadalur district of Tamil Nadu, which is the second biggest mangrove forest. This one is the second biggest mangrove forest. Tidal forest. Mangrove forest is otherwise called as tidal forest. In India, it comprises of small vegetation, aquatic animals, etc. with moist temperature. It comprises of small vegetations and aquatic animals only living there. Okay, the animals which living in water. Okay, with moist temperature. Okay, mangrove forest is otherwise called as tidal forest. It comprises of small vegetation, aquatic animals with moist temperature. It is the second biggest mangrove forest. Okay, dears. Third Roman letter, field, Marudam land. Okay, field, Marudam land. We are lived in this land. Okay, Marudam land. Vayalum vayal saarndha idamum, Marudam land. We are living in this type of region, right? Field, Marudam land. Are you able to see this picture? This is a field. Okay, this is a field we see in our area. The vast land, the vast flat land on the earth is called plain. Is called plain. The crop fields and their surroundings were known as Marudam. Their surroundings were known as Marudam. The agricultural land and the area around it. Okay, it is a vast flat land on the earth's surface. It is called plain. It is called plain. The crop fields and their surroundings were known as Marudam. The crop fields, their surroundings were called as Marudam. The agricultural land and the area around it is called Marudam. Okay, let's see the theme. Okay, the theme, the god in the Marudam land was called Indiran, otherwise called as Vendan. The god in the Marudam land is Indiran, Vendan. People living in this region are called Ulavar, Ulathiyar. The men is called Ulavar. The women worked there are called Ulathiyar. People, Ulavar, Ulathiyar. Occupation, farming. விவசாயம் பண்ணுறது தான் அவங்களோட ஒரே ஆக்குபேஷன். ஆக்குபேஷன், farming. Plant or flower. The plant are Kanchi Marudam. Their flower, lotus Kuvalai. Lotus Kuvalai. Plant was Kanchi Marudam. Flower, lotus Kuvalai. Animal, buffalo. Animal, buffalo. Bird, crane. Bird, crane. Their music is Marudayal. Their music is Marudayal. Okay. The theme, their god was Indiran, Vendan. People living in this field are called Ulavar, Ulathiyar. Their occupation was farming. Their occupation was farming. Plant or flower, plant Kanchi, Marudam. Flower, lotus, Kuvalai. Animal, bird. Animal was buffalo, bird, crane. Their music was Marudayal. Music, Marudayal. Okay. Here is a picture of Indiran, Vendan. Here we see Indiran, Vendan. Indiran, Vendan. Here is a picture of Vendan. He is a god of Maruda land. Here are the farmers. Flower, lotus, Kuvalai, buffalo, crane. It is animal in Maruda land. Crane, it is a bird. Okay. Next one, the people and their occupation. The people and their occupation was called, okay, Uran. Uran, small landlord. Small landlord was called as Uran. Ulavan. Ulavan, farm worker. Farm worker is called Ulavan. Kadayar. Kadayar, who is called as Kadayar? The merchant. Merchant is called Ulavar. Is called Kadayar. Okay. Uran, small landlord. Ulavan, farm worker. Kadayar, merchant. Okay. These are the people and their occupations. The soil of Marudam land. The soil in this region, Marudam land, is formed of alluvial soil and red soil. Alluvial soil and red soil. The land of Marudam is formed of alluvial soil and red soil. Okay. The soil of Marudam land. The land of Marudam is formed of alluvial soil and red soil. Here is an amazing fact about Marudam land. Are you able to see this? Here is a picture of Kallanai. Do you went to Kallanai once in your lifetime? Do you went to Kallanai, dears? Yes. Here is a picture of Kallanai. Kallanai is an ancient dam which is built across the Kaveri river in Tanjavur district in Tamil Nadu. We are in Tanjavur district, right? So Kallanai is placed in Tanjavur district in Tamil Nadu. Its length is 1079 feet. Width is 66 feet. And height is 18 feet. FT means feet. Adigal. 18 adi. எப்படி சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா அது. Its height is 18 feet. It is the fourth oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world. This is the fourth oldest பழமையான Water diversion. This is the fourth oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world. So, Kallanai is an ancient dam which is built across the Kaveri river in Tanjavur district in Tamil Nadu. Its length is 1079 feet. 1079 feet. Width is 66 feet. And height is 18 feet. It is the fourth oldest water diversion system for irrigation in the world. Okay. This one is the Kallanai. Okay, dears. We are in the end of today's session. Your homework is you have to write the theme. Here is the theme of forest. Theme of forest. Mullai land. You have to write this box in your homework note. Okay. The theme: God, Thirumal, people, Idayar, Idaichiyar, Ayar, Aichiyar. Their occupation is cattle rearing, gathering fruits, sowing millets. Okay. Plant or flower: Goa, Mullai flower. Animal or bird: deer, rabbit or parrot. Their musical instrument was Mullaiyal. Mullaiyal. Okay. Next you have to write this. Okay. Field the theme. 2 boxes you have to write in your homework note. Okay. The theme: their god was Indiran, or otherwise called as Vendan. People living in this area is called Ulavar, Ulathiyar. Their occupation: farming. Plant or flower: Kanchi, Marudam or lotus, Kuvalai. Lotus and Kuvalai. Animal or bird: their animal is buffalo. Bird is crane. Music instrument: Marudayal. Music instrument: Marudayal. You have to put these 2 boxes only. Okay. These 2 boxes and write these 6 headings and these 6 answers. The theme, forest theme and the field theme is your homework. You have to write it in your homework note and take a picture of it and send it in our group. Okay, dears. Write it neat and clearly. Okay, we all are expecting all your answers. Is it clear to you, dears? Okay. This one is the field theme. Theme of field Marudam land. Okay. Write it in your homework note. And this one is the forest theme. Forest theme. Okay. Write it clearly and send it in our group. Okay, dears. Let's see in the next class. Okay. See in the next class. Okay, dears. Students, those who are not pay your school fees, kindly pay in our school and get your books immediately. Thank you children. We'll meet in the next class.